my sourdough starter that I made a couple of days ago. And it just started bubbling inside.
Oh, and so what does that mean?
It means that the yeast is active, and now that it's active, I have to feed it 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour each day for 3 to 4 days. And after I add the flour, I have to stir it, and then, yeah.
In a few days you'll have
Sourdough.
bread starter, right?
Yep.
And whose book are you getting this recipe from?
I'm getting this from Wild Fermentation Action and Sandor
Katz.
Sandor Katz.
Yeah. Awesome.
One.
I went to a workshop with him in 2008.
Cool.
What kind of flour is that?
I'm pretty sure this is just normal white flour or spelt flour.
Organic spelt flour?
Yes. So it's low on gluten. Okay, now I'm going to get a long fork and stir it up and then put the cloth back over it.
Captain's watching you.
I have stirred the starter back up, stirred the flour in, and now I will put a cloth over the top so no flies or any little things get into it. And then I can put the rubber band.
Uh-oh.
Oopsies. Rubber band since my last one broke. Now I'll just put it around and tighten it up a little bit. And then I will put it I'll put it right in the window over there next to the fire so it's nice and warm for the yeast to kick back up and bubble again. And then I'll feed it again tomorrow.
Awesome.
Right here, and let it sit until tomorrow.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you, Aydan. Nice work.